Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a top on sale product recommendation that's an absolute must-have for every iPhone user, the 3D Camera Lens Protector. And the best part? It's available now for just $1.45. This innovative camera lens protector is designed for a range of iPhone models, from the latest Pro Max to earlier versions like the iPhone 11 and 12 series. Made with high-quality 9H tempered glass, it offers a complete shield for your camera lens without compromising on photo quality. HD clarity. Our unique back circle design ensures that your iPhone's flash remains unobstructed. This means you get brilliant, clear photos every time. Your shots won't be affected even in low light conditions. Secure protection. The 9H tempered glass provides robust protection against scratches, fully covering your lens to keep it safe from everyday wear and tear. Impact protection. Accidents happen. This protector is engineered to absorb shocks and impacts, keeping your camera lens safe when your phone experiences its first touchdown. Case-friendly. Designed with versatility in mind, it fits most cell phone cases as long as there's at least a 0.2 mm gap between the lens and the case. Enjoy full protection without sacrificing your favorite phone case style. Installing your new lens protector is a breeze. Simply follow these steps. Clean your camera lens with the provided alcohol pad. Gently bend the plastic cover and remove the protector from its film. Align it carefully with your camera lens and place it on. Press lightly to secure it in place. And that's it. Your lens is now protected. If you want to keep your iPhone's camera safe while maintaining HD clarity and stunning photo quality, click the link in the description below to grab your 3D camera lens protector now for only $1.45. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for more top on sale product recommendations. Stay safe and see you in the next video.